Life will often take us down roads that we did not plan, but it's no surprise to God when we surrender our daily walk to Him. The Message Bible says this about Isaiah 26 verse 3. People with their minds set on you, you will keep completely whole and steady on their feet because they keep at it and don't quit. So my encouragement to you today is simply this. That verse makes it very clear that the mind must be fixed and stayed on God. That means a disciplined, intentional redirecting of our thoughts back to God rather than panic. You see, trust acts like a spiritual glue, keeping our emotions and reactions anchored despite the chaos around us. Put Jesus in charge today. He's faithful.